Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up the portable near-infrared sauna by Creatrix Solutions. So first I've just unzipped the bag and I'm going to pull out all the contents. First we have the EMF blocking tent. Sectionally. Put these to the side. Then we have grounding mats. Depending on if you're doing the lay down or the sit. And then here we have all the poles. Okay, so I have taken out the poles and we have different ones and they're labeled L for like length, we have W for width, and D, multiple D's here are for depth. And the configuration is going to depend on if we're doing the lay down or the sit down / stand up style, which we'll do both. You have these longer ones here with E, and these are what are used to hold the actual lamps. So with one configuration, you'll be using one, and with like the lay down, you'll use both of these. And it also comes with an assortment of different like angles, and these are the corners. And again, it'll just depend on where we use these based off the setup of the sauna. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the stand-up version. I already have the base set up here, and what I have are the two L's. I have a W here for width, a W here for width, and then these are the L's. And then we have one of the T connectors. They're gonna go through here, and we have D2s. So all the D2s are on the bottom, and the D1s are gonna go on top. And on this side, since you're doing a stand-up, we're not gonna have a T connector, it's just a straight one, so we have a full entry on this side. Now the entire frame is set up. And remember, for the stand-up, you want to use the straight line ones here for the top and the bottom. And on the one side, you're going to have the T connectors. So this is going to be the entry once we turn this around. One thing you want to make sure you have, it'll make the rest of the thing when you line them up, is that all of the connectors and the holes, everything is facing inward into the tent. So if you have it that way, everything's going to line up so that any circle or any of the holes in the poles, everything is going to be connecting and they're facing on the inside. And now that I have everything connected, what I'm going to do is just pop this up, because it's going to be standing up, watching my fan, like this. So this is the stand-up frame. I like this. This is going to be the entry right here. But this is the whole frame set up, and the next one to do is be putting in the grounding mat, the panels, and the light. So this is the door, and I have the cover set up here. I'm just putting everything on just for a little faster connection. How it's going to be. So I have all the sides here except for the front setup. And I'll get all of this set up, and again, this will be the front door for entry. It's also important to note that before you start zipping the panels together, make sure that you take all the Velcro from the insides and attach those to the poles first. So now we have the panels all set up and Velcroed, and this will be the corner right here that's gonna go right here. And this is where I have chosen to put this one right here, which is what's gonna hold the lamp. And the great thing is you can have it here, or you can set it here, anywhere you'd like. And remember to have everything Velcroed nice and tight before zipping everything in. And after this, all we have to do is complete this wall, put in the grounding mat, and then the lamps. So for the grounding mat, currently I have it upside down, and you're gonna get quite a few extra of these, so in case any of them break, you'll have extra. But what we wanna do is put them from here to here, here to here, and here to here. This allows the entire thing to stay grounded. And then what you do is you have a grounding cord, and I currently have the grounding cord connected right here. And and you hook it up right there. And now this is actively grounded, and I'll turn it upside down and put this in the floor of the sauna. Now I already have installed the mat. You can see from right here, I have the grounding cord going in and it's connected to the wall. I also have just set in the bamboo stool, which is an accessory. To put in the lamp, it's really simple. This comes with it. You have the rope ratchet. I just use one. And so when you have the lamp set up, you take one end and you connect it here to keep it straight, and the other goes in the back. And up here, you just take it and you loop it twice around so that you have a balanced system. So now you can adjust this to however high or low you want this. And you can be as close. So again, if you want to sit down in here, you can sit down or you can stand up. It's a very simple setup. And there you have it. Again, everything closes from the inside and the outside here.